As we usually do, we can split the whole project work into different processes and tasks. Then we need to assign them to a responsible person, add someone who can review the tasks and set a deadline. In SAC, we have two views of process monitoring, Calendar and Gantt. The Calendar view is the standard calendar layout, and the Gantt view is frequently used in the project to visualize the project tasks, progress, and timeline. Using the Calendar feature, we can add filters based on style, status, roles, due and type, and we can also download calendar tasks to a PC or Mac. The Events and Tasks feature in SAP Analytics Cloud are the two major sources that help you collaborate with other group members and manage your planning and analytical activities. After creating an event and assigning tasks to relevant group members, you can monitor the task progress in the Calendar interface. Here are some typical types of work you can do with the Calendar. Create events based on categories and processes within categories. Create a task, assign it to users, set a due date for submission, and monitor task progress. And I'm going to walk you through all those tasks in the following lectures.
Let's walk through how to use the SAP Analytics Cloud Calendar to collaborate on a story with a colleague. In this scenario, you'll copy and modify a story, create a task in the calendar, assign a reviewer, leave a message, and go through the review and approval process. Once you're logged in, go to Files on the upper left, then navigate to Public SACE 11 content. Find the story named P00-employee. Now let's share that story with your assigned reviewer. Go back to your files, locate your new Uskelson story, and select the share icon. In the pop-up, enter Pusera or Pusub, depending on your group. Set the access level to full control, click Share, and then close. Next, open the story in edit mode. Click the table to select it, then open the right side panel. In the Builder pane, remove all dimensions from the rows except office location and position. Once the table is simplified, save your story. Now it's time to create a task using the calendar. Open the navigation bar and click on Calendar. If it doesn't appear right away, use the More option to find it. If you're prompted with a Release Highlights message, choose Don't Show Me This Again and close it. Switch to List View using the toggle in the upper left, then choose Hide Gantt Chart from the ribbon to simplify the layout. To add a new task, click plus Add Composite Task from the Calendar toolbar. For the start date, set it to 5 minutes from the current time. Use the calendar icon to adjust the minutes. Click Create. Once the task opens, click plus Add File and select your Uskelson story. In the Assignees section, click plus Add Assignees and select yourself, either A or B. Then scroll to Reviewers and click directly on Add Reviewer. Avoid using the drop-down. Click right on the text. Now adjust the distribution slider. Set it so that you, the assignee, have 25% of the task and the reviewer has 75%. Once that's done, click Update at the bottom and then choose Activate Continue to launch the task.
The Events and Task features in the SAP Analytics Cloud are the two major sources that help you collaborate with other group members and consequently manage your planning and analytic activities. An event is a calendar event scheduled for a specific day and time, and meetings are good examples of events. A task is an activity not scheduled for an exact day and time, but we can specify a due date for a task, or there may not be a time and date that the tasks need to be completed by. In this video, we'll create a task that will request the assignee to incorporate the data to update the model. First, from Main menu, select Calendar. Then choose Add New and select General Task. And we can give this task a name, a start date, and the due date. You can also add a recurrence. Then you can click on Save, and you'll find the new task on the calendar. We use processes a lot to manage tasks. A process is an overview of the work progress, and we can add multiple general tasks like data locking. Creating a process is simple. From the main menu, select Calendar, then choose the Add New button and Process. Then you give it a name and set a start and a due date. And now we can assign the process to a user. After this process is created, we can check the process details like work files, description, time and attachments in the Designer panel.